The love which you have discovered and which today you celebrate is one of the most profound experiences that we can have. You may find it hard to define because it lives more in your hearts than it does in your minds. Perhaps you sense it more than you think it. Yet in the moments before you, you will exchange words with each other that you've both thought about, and they will express both your affirmations and your hopes.
Before God and these witnesses,
I, Aaron, take you, Victoria,
I, Aaron, take you, Victoria,
to be my wife.
to be my wife.
I pledge to love you
I pledge to love you
and to cherish your love.
and to cherish your love.
I will protect you
I will protect you
as far as humanly possible
as far as humanly possible
from all harm.
from all harm.
I will strive
I will strive
to make our home
to make our home
a happy one,
a happy one,
so that everyone will see
so that everyone will see
the sacredness of our love,
the sacredness of our love,
which God has blessed
which God has blessed
for our marriage.
for our marriage.
I will care for you
I will care for you
in both good and difficult times.
in both good and difficult times.
I will support you
I will support you
in our endeavors
in our endeavors
and in the fulfillment
and in the fulfillment
of your dreams.
of your dreams.
I will always be there for you.
I will always be there for you.
This ring I give you
This ring I give you
as a symbol and pledge
as a symbol and pledge
of our constant faith
of our constant faith
and abiding love.
and abiding love.
There's no doubt in my mind that he's the man to show her so much more as their lives of love grow together over the years to come. So let's get this celebration started. We've had you standing way too long, I apologize. But raise a glass, join me in wishing Aaron and Victoria all the joy, happiness, luck, and especially love the world has to offer.
So by the power vested in me by the state of Florida and by the United Church of Christ, I get to joyfully pronounce you husband and wife